Hey everybody, I wanted to quickly show you this tool in Edge in case you haven't seen it before. Edge does have a read aloud tool. So if you right click and then click read aloud.
Friendship ISD. District. Schools.
It'll start reading wherever you are aloud. And if you're in Schoology, we'll look at an old test and go to preview. So students who are in Schoology and have read aloud, that one's not going to work. Let's see if I can find one that does work. Here we go. So again, if you have oral accommodations, or if you're working...
And Frank, the Diary of a Young Girl Comprehension Quiz.
Working on something and it's hard to see, this way it will read all of it on the page to you, and it works on regular web pages as well. This one I had started, so I can click continue.
World's Orson Welles' realistic radio dramatization of a Martian invasion of Earth.
And then once you go into it, you have, you can close, you can continue to read, you can pause it.
Earth is broadcast on the radio on October 30th. The War of the Worlds, Orson Welles' realistic...
And it'll even go to the previous paragraph, so if you zoned out for a second, you can go back. So again, I just wanted to make sure everyone knew about this tool and could kind of see how to use it. Hope this helps.